What is going on? I hope you are having an epic day. In today's video, we're gonna go over an application that I've been using since 2018 to earn completely passive income. I have earned hundreds of dollars from this application, and all I had to do was download it and set up my account. That's it. After that, to earn, you don't have to open up the app. You don't have to let the app run in the background. Honestly, set it, forget it, and collect rewards. But there is a catch, and we're gonna talk about it, plus so much more. I'm your host, Tech Hustler. Oakley dokley, welcome back to another video. And if it's your first time here, my name is Tech Hustler. Now, we mine cryptocurrency here, but we also go over the latest crypto projects and even review some websites and applications that you can use right now to make some crypto on the side, or as in today's video, to make some cash on the side. I know you like that, so go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and while you're down there, hit that like button too. That's the number one thing you can do to support my channel.
Smash, smash, smash.
So the application that we're talking about today is called MCMoney. Now, like I said in the intro, I've been using this since 2018, and I have made hundreds of dollars completely passively. And there's really nothing you have to do but download the app, set up your account, and stack rewards. Now, how do you earn? Well, I got your answer right here. You're going to earn money for receiving text messages. Get paid real money for helping us improve worldwide communication. What is MCMoney? By letting us send text messages to your phone, you allow us to test and improve mobile operations. Simply put, you help us help mobile operators to work together. And not unimportant, each message you receive adds more money to your MCMoney bank. Real money. How to earn money with MCMoney. Get started in 4 simple steps. Now, step number 1, we are going to download the application. Now, MCMoney is only available for Android phones, and it's not in the Google Play Store, so you're gonna have to download it directly from the website. I'll have a link in the description down below. Now, after you download the application, you're going to have to install it. After you install it, you're going to register your phone number, and if you want a little bonus, you can use my referral code. I'll also receive a little bonus, so thank you very much if you use my code. Next, MCMoney. You're gonna randomly receive text messages, and for every text message, I think you're gonna earn close to 5 or 6 cents. And once you meet the payout threshold of $6, you're gonna be able to cash out directly to your PayPal account. But let's talk about the catch. Now, this is the catch with MCMoney. And first, it's completely legit. As you can see, I've been using it since 2018 and have made hundreds of dollars completely passive. The only thing is, you're only gonna receive a few texts per month. And for each of those texts, you're gonna receive like 5 or 6 cents. So that means it's gonna take a long time to reach the minimum payout threshold of $6. Now, how long is it gonna take you to reach that threshold? For me, on average, I was getting 1 payout a year. For me, MCMoney is completely worth it. I set up the application once in 2018, and every year I receive a payout. But I wanna know what you think. Even though this is a slow earner and they take a while to pay out, is this application worth it to you? Let me know in the comments down below. All right, guys, real quick, I just want to take a minute of your time to invite you to Mining Disrupt 2026 this July in Miami, Florida. Now, Mining Disrupt is the world's largest Bitcoin mining conference. I've been going for 5 years now, and everyone is better than the last. Whether you're interested in mining Bitcoin at home, mining Bitcoin large scale, or maybe working in the Bitcoin industry, you need to come down to Mining Disrupt 2026. So plan your trip now, scan the QR code and save 20% on your tickets, or you can just go to miningdisrupt.com and use code TechHustler. I'll see you in Miami. Moving right along, we're going to go over this and a few frequently asked questions, and then we're going to get the heck out of here. So install and earn money. It really is that simple. Earn cash. Just install the app. We'll send you random test SMS messages once in a while. You earn money from each received text message from us. Works on Android. McMoney is an Android only app because Android allows us to process the results of the SMS text messages we send to your phone. And of course, it is secure. McMoney is extremely safe and secure for you to use. Your personal data is handled according to strict privacy rules. Scrolling down here to the FAQ, the frequently asked questions. Not going to spend a lot of time here because I'm pretty sure I covered almost everything. So in general, how does the McMoney app work? You download it, register your phone number, and start receiving text messages. How much money will I make? Now, this is gonna vary per country, but here in the United States, I can say for me, I'm making just over 5 cents per text messages. Let's see, what does the text message look like? Now, these text messages are complete gibberish. It's just a 16-digit code. After you receive the text message, McMoney will message you. They're gonna tell you that they received the message and how much you earned. After that, you can delete the message. And I think that is everything right here in general. Let's move on to payments. In payments, can you send money to my bank account? No, not right now. Currently, PayPal is the only cash out option, but McMoney, if you're watching this, can we get a gift card payout option and a Bitcoin payout option? What is the minimum cash out? Now, this is going to vary depending on what country you're in, but here in the United States, it's going to be $6. I have requested a cash out. Why haven't I received my money yet? You're going to want to make sure that McMoney has your right PayPal email address. Other than that, it can take up to 4 weeks to receive your payment. And last, the referral program. Now, if you download this application and start using it, I highly recommend that you spam your referral to your friends, to your family, to your co-workers, anyone with a phone line, and start stacking up that referral bonus. Earn extra money by referring new users to McMoney. All McMoney users will get a referral code they can share with people who haven't installed McMoney yet. Both you and the one who uses your code will get a bonus. You can share your code with as many people as you like. And you know what? If you sign up for this app right now, just put your referral code in the comments and maybe someone will use it. So that's pretty much going to do it for the McMoney application. It's a slow earner, but slow money is better than no money. And at the end of the day, it is completely passive income. And that's also going to do it for today's video. So as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My name's Tech Hustler. Happy mining. Peace.